Before we fix that Thomas, let me show you this pole model Hiro. For some reason doesn't work. Well, it seems to be very easy fix. Even if you straighten these side rolls, they make a terrible sound, and it's because it's not performing as it should. So I'm gonna try to fix this problem. This is very dangerous, so do not try this at home, unless it's under adult supervision. You know what? Even I cannot see it, so I'm gonna use a black background. Now let's try again. We heat up the side roll and try to straighten. Very careful, these things are very hot. It's taking form. It's getting better and better and better. Yep, that's good. Excellent. The other one also almost done. Just a little bit, or it will melt the plastic. This plastic piece is very thin. Nice. Test run. Much better. I don't know if you can see all the dust on this model. And actually all the models I get in the mail are dusty. So in order to get rid of this dust, we got a new tool sent by this company, Big Monster Vogma compressed air duster, and we're gonna give it a try. It's brand new out of the box, comes with some attachments, USB-C cable, brush. Here is the on switch, and it already sounds very powerful. 100% charge, comes with a little light, second speed, third speed. So I guess the attachment with brush will fit nice and will help me clean this model. Very quick demo, and it did a really good job. So this is a must-have for my tools, and actually has some sort of you can spin it around. Nice. Comes with a LED light, very powerful, and I will continue using this tool. If interested, check the link in the description. Definitely good for me. Check the link below. We have two talking Thomas. Now I want you to guess in the next couple seconds which one works and which one doesn't. So if you are ready, here we go. Look at this. There is a lot of battery leakage, a lot of corrosion. This one, in the other hand, it does have a lot of tear and wear on the decals, but
hello, I'm Thomas.
It talks. Now in this case we have a good decals on this one, a good connector, so we are going to swap this top part to this one because this one definitely in terrible condition. All right, let's begin. Same process to the other model. What an operation. This is the bad part, and we have the replacement. Now, moment to connect this. We have red, orange, and black. Red goes in the positive. We have the orange next to the negative with this minus sign, and we put the black wire here next to the orange. All right, now we have just put the batteries in it. Moment of make a test. Actually, it's talking already. Now this model has some noise. That means we need to replace a cog on the motor. But first I need to put this back together. What a mess. Imagine you could not fix this. Alright, the problem is in this motor by itself right here. This piece is the problem. Replacement parts. Done. Now back to the casing. Good. Quick test before we continue. The noise is gone. That is very good.
Hello, I'm Thomas.
Now I need to store this Thomas away and it will be good for parts. Oh man. Wow, wow, wow. So this is what I used to do. Save them for later. Good motor, good wires. Works.